evening, SoCal. Delta 2284 is out of 29, descending via the Angel with Quebec.
Delta 2284 SoCal, you're clear to approach runway 24 right, Tango current.
Clear the approach 24 right, and we'll pick up Tango, Delta 2284.
Delta 2284, put a 250.
Well, 250 knots, Delta 2284. Approach Delta 2284 with the slowdown. We may not hit the top altitude at Circus.
You can be high.
Roger.
Delta 2284, got it, approach 128.5.
1285, Delta 2284, good day. Evening, SoCal, Delta 2284, 13,000, clear for the approach.
Delta 2284, that's well, thanks, runway 24 right, speed 250.
Alright, 24 right, we're at knots, Delta 2284.
Delta 2284, speed 210 or greater, report airport in sight.
210 or better, well, what's the airport, Delta 2284.
Delta T4, speed 180 or greater to Kobe.
180 knots about Kobe, Delta 22, between us and the airport.
Delta 2284, connect 119.8, good day.
Tower 198, Delta 2284 as well.
Delta 2284, LA Tower, good evening, runway 24 right, clear to land.
next few hours, you'll receive an email service from
Delta 2284, hold short of runway 24 left at Alpha Alpha.
Your travel experience. Lastly, take a look around your seat, make sure you have all your items that you brought on board with you this evening. On behalf of Delta and this Atlanta-based crew, I'd like to thank you for flying with us. We're going to be able to serve you again on another Delta flight. We know that a lot of you do have some tight connections here in Los Angeles. If you don't have a connecting flight right away, we do ask that you please remain seated. Just allow those passengers with a few extra minutes to be able to catch those flights. Thank you.
Delta 2284 at Alpha Alpha, cross runway 24 left and contact ground point 655.
Delta 2284 Los Angeles ground, Echo Delta 10.
Echo Delta 10, Delta 2284.